Hi guys, David Wildman here and you're watching Btekt. Btekt is sponsored by Direct Mobiles. They have 23 years of award-winning customer service. Check out their deals at directmobiles.co.uk. Now, what have I got today? There was a whole bunch of FCC documents that were published a few days ago, revealing that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch will be launched in two different sizes. So we thought the watches would have a 1.19-inch round display, but we stumbled on a new leak showing a larger 1.3-inch round display. This larger watch will have a 48mm chassis, while the smaller one will be rolling in at 43.4mm. In this FCC document, you can see the two sizes side by side and the slight differences between them. Based on the CAD drawings, the larger Samsung Galaxy Watch could be a sporty variant based on the shape of the chassis, while the smaller one has a more traditional smartwatch design with tabs and a space for interchangeable watch bands. Both models will carry the same name and they will support the same wide variety of LTE bands, as well as Wi-Fi at 2.4 GHz. We expect this new watch to be announced alongside the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in New York on August 9th. But just in case there might be a delay, it might be announced alongside the Samsung Galaxy X at IFA in Berlin. Speaking of things that come in twos, we've heard some things about the upcoming Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, but there was nothing on the Lite version until now, thanks to leaker Ronald Quadrant, who posted the following. Huawei Mate 20 Lite is codenamed Sydney. There seems to be at least two variants, Sydney M and Sydney I. He goes on to speculate, asking why there'd be two different accessories for the same model, one with a hole for the fingerprint scanner and one without, and wonders if this device will have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now, we're not saying that everything that Roland says is a lie, we're just prompting everyone to keep an open mind because this is still a rumour and there is room for speculation. So we think due to the fact that the Mate Lite is a budget phone, it will not have the in-display fingerprint reader. Even the Samsung S10's budget equivalent does not seem to have an in-display fingerprint reader on the phone. If they did happen to incorporate the fingerprint scanner in the display, then this takes away from the fact that this is a budget phone. Also, if it follows in the footsteps of last year's Mate 10 with the LCD panel, this wouldn't allow the incorporation of the under-display fingerprint reader. So we're just guessing, but perhaps it will just have a good old-fashioned fingerprint scanner at the bottom. Anyway, that's it from me for today. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you have a great day. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming reviews of this phone and others in the future. My name's David Wildman and this was Btekt.